Hey everyone, this is Namita here. I'm back again today with our new topic. What to do when a guy or a girl is on and off with me. So at times you will find yourself that this girl who's really interested in you, or this guy who really falls for you, who messages you or she messages you, she's there and she's there like as if there is no tomorrow. And then after some time you find that this girl or this guy is not there, or maybe for a week or maybe for a couple of weeks. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to identify such people in your life who don't want to give in their energies to you, who don't want to give their time to you, and which is very precious. And if they don't want to give that time to you, you have to understand that no matter what good qualities or what good patterns they have in their life, or what are those qualities inside them that are attracting you towards them, they're good for them, not for you. Because he is not giving you enough. She is not giving you enough. They are only giving you that much that you are kind of hanging on with them. You don't want such people in your life. You want people who should stay with you. And there are n number of such people who are going to do or behave in this pattern with you. So what are you supposed to do with such people? It is quite interesting. You have to understand that this is just a game, a ping pong game which you're playing with them. So the kind of investment they are giving into you, you're supposed to return it with that only. They say hi, you write hi. They say, what's up? You say, great. You don't write, what's up with you? Okay, you let them talk to you. And if they don't become bad people. At times I've seen many of my students, they come up to me and they say, she is horrible or he is horrible, and I don't want to talk to him. Let him go, let her go wherever she wants to go. No, you're not supposed to do that. Your reaction is very important. And another important thing is, which you need to know, you are very important for yourself. So there may be 100 other people, 100 other girls, there may be 100 other men, 100 other boys that you are not looking at. Why? Because you're focusing your energy and your time to this one person. You are the one who's making him special. You are the one who's making her special and making her sit on that pedestal. She doesn't need that pedestal. He doesn't need that position. You need to understand, to bring them down, to understand they are very good, but they're not good for you. So what? So as much, and you are, by doing this, you are keeping that opportunity open. By writing those messages, screw you, I don't want to talk to you, I hate you, you are closing on the conversation. There are many people, you don't like to give in your energies to them like this. And you can see, it is very clear cut. It is written clear on the wall that they are not that much into you. They want to give you something only to hang you around. Maybe they consider you their backup, or I don't really know what they actually think about you. But one thing which I know for sure is, you are not their priority. Accept it. Do not make them your priority either. Thank you so much guys for listening. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below.